Hi, and welcome to Tiger Talk with Parker's Hose Products Division. Today we're talking about compact spiral hose, which includes 787 and 797 TC. Those are for our 5,000 and 6,000 PSI applications. Compact spiral was designed and engineered to be the best spiral hose on the planet. Developed to the latest international hose specifications, ISO 18752. This spec moves hose development past the legacy SAE rating for spiral hose, advancing the industry for a solution for high pressure applications. Compact spiral hoses are manufactured to the toughest grades within this spec. More on that in just a minute. To produce compact spiral hose, we use an exclusive combination of proprietary technologies and Parker's unmatched engineering capabilities. What you get is a hose that addresses the market's top spiral hose application priorities: pressure rating, routing ease, abrasion resistance, bend radius, reduced force to flex, and weight. With compact spiral hose, there are measurably greater advantages over conventional spiral hose in each of these areas. The ISO 18752 spec is the new standard for hydraulic hose. Let's take a minute to understand what this spec is all about. Established in 2006, it's for constant working pressure hoses and differentiates between performance levels. Hoses are classified according to the resistance to impulse in 4 grades: A, B, C, and D. Then each grade is further classified by outside diameter into standard types: AS, BS, and CS, and other compact types: AC, BC, CC, and DC. The compact spiral hose family is a combination of both C and D grades, the toughest classifications. To achieve grade D, it was tested to 120 degrees Celsius at 133% impulse pressure and to 2 million impulse cycles. That's right, tested to 2 million impulse cycles. That's twice the ISO standard and 4 times the legacy SAE standard. Compact spiral hose is incomparable thanks to its many industry-leading attributes, making it the easiest spiral hose in the market to work with. Providing remarkable flexibility and routing ease, its bend radius is half that of SE 100R13 and 100R15 conventional spiral hose. More importantly, it takes 1/3 less effort to bend, making it much easier to work with and install. With half the bend radius, you can reduce your hose needs 20 to 50%. Compact spiral has nearly a 30% smaller outside diameter when compared to conventional spiral hose. This makes it easier to handle, easier to route, and enables bends to start sooner than conventional spiral hose. What that means to you is less hose, fewer shaped fittings, which can all save you money. The smaller the outside diameter also enables you to fit more hose in tight quarters, or you can jump up a hose size if you want to get increased flow and efficiency out of your hydraulic system. Compact spiral also weighs less, in fact 25% less than conventional spiral hose. That provides significant savings in fuel, shipping, packaging costs over its conventional counterparts, not to mention making it easier to handle and install. So they're easy to work with and install, but will it last? Yes, it's going to last. Remember, compact spiral hose is tested to 2 million impulse cycles, and that's 2 times the ISO 18752 type DC impulse cycle standard, and 4 times the SAE impulse requirements. Building a hose that can test to 2 million impulse cycles increases hose life in your application, which can extend the time between hose replacements, again, saving you time and money. What about abrasion resistance? Parker's highly abrasion resistant TC cover provides 80 times the abrasion protection as compared to a standard rubber covered hose. It will deliver long and dependable service life in rigorous and remote applications. Need another reason to work with compact spiral? Okay, 787 TC for 5,000 PSI and 797 TC for 6,000 PSI each provide constant working pressures across all their sizes. In the past, 5,000 and 6,000 PSI applications were each covered by up to 3 SAE hose types, depending on the hose size needed. Now with compact spiral, 787 TC covers all your 5,000 PSI applications and 797 TC meets all your 6,000 PSI hose needs. And they were flex impulse tested, which means each impulse, the hoses were randomly flexed one of 3 axes: up, down, back and forth, and side to side, making a highly realistic, real-life simulation. The hoses are approved with Parker's 77 series hose fittings, covering all sizes of 787 TC and 797 TC hoses. Using a single piece fitting series simplifies the fitting selection when making a hose assembly and considerably reduces the number of fittings needed in your inventory. And that too can save you money. And if that weren't enough, compact spiral hose and 77 series fittings incorporate interlock no skive bite the wire technology without the effort of skiving. Compact spiral is available in all sizes from -8 up through -32. They have an operating temperature range of -40 degrees Fahrenheit up to 257 degrees. And its proprietary synthetic inner tube provides enhanced fluid compatibility. That means you get prolonged hose life and the ability to work with more fluids like environmentals and polyester. Compact spiral will work great in mobile hydraulic systems and applications like transportation, military, construction, agricultural, grounds and building maintenance, forestry, utility equipment, waste and refuse, and more. So to get more information on either 787 TC or 797 TC, go to compactspiral.com, parkerhose.com, or 1-800-C-PARKER. And thanks, and we'll see you next time on Tiger Talk.